What's up, my beautiful people? Welcome back to another episode on the Lifestyle Channel. There again, me and Earl Boss in the kitchen. I don't know how it go.
Why people are cold in our house, you know, that's why man away hoodie and thing and well strap up.
Yeah, people who listen to you, I'm not 100 right now, catch a little flu, but you don't know, you recover from it already, you know, so at least that's what Earl Boss gonna be the one doing all the cooking today. I'm just there right now to eat some food and recover, and I'm gonna do the camera work. I don't know the thing go. So Earl Boss, what you have to cook today?
I do something different, you know, people. Some stuffed pepper with beef and rice. You know, and well seasoned with some okra and onions, you know.
Yeah.
Something different.
Yeah, I'm gonna go out here right now. I'm gonna give you some bossy food for you today, people.
Some recover food.
We are going right now and see what I want still, you know. Remember, people, like, share, subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Keep doing the right thing, and we will keep doing the right thing. Channel keep growing, so I would say. Thanks for the support. Really appreciate it. So, stay tuned and watch what I want. Alright, my people. So, see it here now. The beef, yeah. Earl Boss, I go put in the stuffed peppers. And some rice. Rice is going in there too. Those are the powder seasoning going to be used to seasoning it. All of these natural seasons gonna go in the stuffed peppers too. So,
see, pepper them
and these are the peppers.
Ingredient.
Those are the peppers. So all of this
Gonna end up in that.
is going into that.
Alright.
I don't know how it's gonna fit, but
Watch it pre.
Earl Boss know what he's doing. So,
alright, people, the
we're gonna
beef
make it
already.
happen.
Beef already washed up and everything. Everything washed except the rice. So I'll go in and cut the beef right now. So a small cube I want to cut them in a still. I want to work with the pepper. So cut these.
Beef I get diced.
Cow I get killed right now. Murder.
Piece of steak, they're pretty, you know, my people. Look nice and fresh. Like a spray paint and put on it.
Yes, it is.
Yeah, you.
Holy color.
No, I'm gonna run about the killer one del coil. Oh, couldn't put it on camera.
I run past the pin over there, so I have to chop you up.
Yeah, man. Which is right. Yes, my people. So just there, going all the vibes now. Look at lunchtime and idea. I know, go already. I say we're not 200, but we are going to hold it.
I'll make it work.
Make Earl Boss go and deal with the kitchen in the car. Earl Boss, I go in the kitchen, you know. Where's your Earl Boss?
I don't know what to pre. 1, 2, 11.
You go cook pan 2 river next week.
Yeah, no, boy, I don't know about that. You say I go by river next week. You don't know about them.
We had to have all life changes.
Yeah, there, you know, maybe it snow, maybe it don't snow, and then the weather we are going, you know. Yeah, them are places, so.
Someone Gemma big up yourself when you don't know choppings go already.
Yeah, man. So, boy, I go in and cut up the season at the same time, you know.
Alright people, so I'm gonna get everything cut up and ready up to stuff the peppers, so just stay tuned and watch what I'm going for that part then. Alright people, see it there?
Alright people, we are going right. We are going to set up the pepper, you know, so you can get it for stuff. Cut it where we are cut it. on the back of the lid, you know, because you need the lid to go back on it.
I have to cut you the inches, them and everything, you know, my people. Put all the lock on you and something, so.
So you can lock back your door, so when you cut the people, you know, do it a little turn, you know, the center piece, drop out. And then we'll go in it, dig out the inside.
And people, we already cut the other 3.
Yeah, we already.
The 4 we do. We already cut the other 3. We just cutting this one to show you how we do it. Cut out that, clean out that. Make sure your 1 bedroom they clean.
You're ready for the living space up in it, you know.
Alright, that good seat, you know, my
Alright,
people. Well, hello, so we're gonna stuff everything right in there.
Yeah.
Alright.
Now we're gonna clean off the lid. Make sure you see the nice, you know, so you know, I'm planting no seed right now, so.
I do this now, my people.
Lock up the place. Okay. Well, clean up, everything good. You can lock up the door when ready, you know. And right now, I'm just going out seasoning meat same time. We have it garlic powder.
Beef for season.
We have it.
Slap.
Slap your mama.
Slap your mama, my people. Don't do it.
We have whole beer.
On deck.
We have Maggie. Money. We have some black pepper. I don't need nothing more than this. This salad. Going on that. Everything else up, set up. Go in. We need 1 more ingredient, people. Well, put some olive oil in it too.
Olive oil up here.
Season up real good.
Alright, that fully active right now.
Alright, people, I'm going and wash your rice. Can you see? We'll wash and everything. But now, this is where tricky part get. We have to go take your season them and put in all this and mix up it. So, all of them are going there, so. Cause everything I was stuffing and pepper, so.
Season rice. Watch what going on, people.
Okra to first.
Okra and rice now. Don't want some slimy stuff pepper them right now.
Garlic.
Mm.
We have
Turn
the
up.
scallion up in there.
Stand up in a back later.
Real good.
Yo!
Tomato, everything.
Right now, bigs are going some of this, you know, cause
Hey, my fire blanks, people. You know, no real bullet.
I want a good feedback, you know.
You need some Teflon in it. Right, wash off me on real quick because I put some butter in this, you know, so. See that, people? Everything I'll mix up.
Mixing.
Rice. So this are going on pepper, you know, so everything I have to blend.
Some rice, plaka.
Don't worry, man, it's come out 100. Most people don't use, you got a lot of people that don't use anything else. They say use it.
We don't go find out.
Yeah, man, so.
We want a fresh rice, no?
No, man, it's all good. Salad. I put the guy whole beer in it and slap him over. So he eat it. Let go. flavor we need.
People, rice I need up, so watch what go on. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
Go out here, do the right thing as usual.
Watch it pray.
People, world boss, I'll go ahead and stuff up the pepper them and now.
Yeah, man, so yeah, go in it. And I'll get the beef in first.
Beef and stuff up in a pepper.
And I'm going with the rice.
So one layer beef I put in it.
Yeah.
No, just ask.
I don't feel one. Like people, we are do two different sets, you know. We are do one spicy one, and we are do one with no spicy. So we have to set up.
Stuff up the first one now, because you are going.
Alright, this side, you know, we can't put no more rice because you know, say,
Rice, I go swell up.
swell up. So,
Lock
this
shop.
one.
Like you want to question,
Like you get the jam now. Put
Oh.
some vegetable broth in there, people, for give the juice for your rice to cook.
So vegetable broth
Yes,
is going
sir.
in the pepper.
It's up to you if you want to put beef or chicken or
Any kind
whatever,
of broth
any
you want to
broth.
put in there, no? You want to put a soup broth in there, no? Put it.
So, pour up some in there.
Like, no, can throw some tequila in there for no one.
Whatever. Your settings. So.
That enough? Alright, that. Lock shop.
That one, yeah. I'll trick to that one, you know, you're fine.
Alright, people, so see?
Hold
This is gonna be.
on. Yeah. See,
That's the product before it goes in the oven, so stay tuned. I'll get the rest of them stuff up and then you're gonna see when I put them in the oven. Remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
we see.
Alright, my people, see it here now. Pepper them fully stuff up now. Put all of the good stuff them. Beef, the rice and thing. So the next move, I have to put it in the oven. Yeah, see what I'm going.
Yeah.
Alright, my people, see it there. Cover it up now in the oven. 350 degrees and leave it in there. How long you left in the for, boss?
45.
45 minutes. That no cover good enough. So I'm telling for people, you know, I'm people to world boss, go ahead. Take out the bad pepper. People see that, you know. Pepper them come out, you know. Fully active world boss, go ahead and take them out now. And we get to the consuming. So stay tuned and watch what go on. Alright, my people, see it there, world boss. Share out the stuffed pepper them. Fully active, we have a plate of piece of fried chicken. So I'll go ahead and get to consuming now, my people. Alright, my people. See it there now? Beautiful.
See that, people?
Stuffed pepper. Now waste some time still my car right now.
Go ahead.
I go ahead and cut it up. I'm not doing them, I'm not bossy them. Nada. I'm gonna cut them in two. See what's going on in there.
It's a gift basket.
I don't know if y'all could see it, people, but see the steak? Fully cooked too. You see that steam? Oh, no. Well hot.
People, we have an extra piece of chicken on the plate. That's something we in there. We just fry up it and deal with that. But yeah, going right now.
Nice.
I say this is not a regular cooking that we do, so something different. Yeah, going right. Let's see.
Rice, seasoned rice. I tell you the okra and the rice, I get a different texture, I tell you.
Extra prime. This is good.
Hot to my people. I know y'all I love to try this right now.
Something different, people, you know. Solid. Hot people, it just come out that open, you know, so. Steam different.
Shit, some pepper to y'all, man. Let's go.
Wow, plate of bun up. People hot for a different level. Well, it didn't turn out right though, people.
Yep. Rice have the red flavor.
Beef, yeah. Beef solid cooked.
Right now, I enjoy rice more than beef. You think so? Rice
Fully seasoned. Remember, the rice going with the okra and everything in it, you know. Yo, people. Now, if you try this, stuffed pepper.
People. You still watching them? Can't manage it. You can't wait for like right now.
I want to know. But people don't have to try what they
Cool
do.
down now a little bit. Y'all gotta try this.
No, you have to try what it, man.
But remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend.
But listen, for the next one, we're gonna do a stuffed cabbage. Really?
Stop what?
Cabbage.
We have to cut out the middle and stuff it.
Well, I mean, I have a tea in it.
It can work.
Yeah, cook it on real good.
But alright, my people. Any vlog I say, you know. So, until next time, keep showing the support. We thanks for the support. So, thank you again for watching. Until next one.